Milk thistle extract pills for liver detox. Milk thistle supplements. Milk thistle has versatile properties which are of immense health benefits. Milk thistle pills have also grown in popularity due to the wide range of health benefits these provide. In this video, you will know how to improve liver function naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Benefits of milk thistle extract pills. Milk thistle, silymarin, has strong antioxidant properties, improving the body's disease-fighting abilities and keeping health protected. Improve liver functions. Milk thistle supplements cleanse the liver and make it free from toxins and fat. These supplements repair damaged liver tissues and improve their functions to boost up health. Milk thistle's use helps recover from the ill effects of alcohol damage, hepatitis infections, and heavy metal exposure. People suffering from severe liver problems like cirrhosis due to alcoholic or non-alcoholic reasons gain healthy liver and check disease progression using milk thistle supplements. Prevent gallstones. Proper milk thistle supplement dosage helps in treating problems like gallbladder stones and low release of bile. These supplements prevent blockage of CBT, which can raise serious health problems. Healthy gallbladder function is vital for maintaining healthy digestion and maintaining health and energy levels. Improve kidney and spleen functions. Milk thistle supplements help eliminate the body's metabolic waste by improving gallbladder, kidney, and spleen functions. These keep blood free from toxins, dead cells, and waste matter and protect organs and cells from damage. Lower cholesterol. The positive impact of milk thistle supplement dosage on health helps in keeping harmful LDL levels under control. These are heart-friendly supplements as they prevent blockages in arteries and keep the entire cardio system healthy. If you want to know how to get milk thistle extract pills discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Control blood sugar. Healthy blood sugar levels are other benefits of milk thistle supplements. The entire range of benefits of these supplements maintains blood glucose within healthy limits and protects from their ill effects. Anti-aging. The main ingredient of the milk thistle herb silymarin is a powerful antioxidant. It inhibits the free radical mechanism and protects cells from oxidative stress. The presence of silymarin makes milk thistle capsules powerful anti-aging supplements which rejuvenate health and improve the looks of a person. Conclusion. Varied benefits of milk thistle supplements make them useful for various health and fitness purposes. Milk thistle helps prevent liver damage due to alcohol and works well to protect the health of alcoholics. These supplements not only prevent liver damage due to alcohol but also repair existing damage quickly. The use of these supplements eliminates toxins, diffuses inflammation, shrinks enlargement, and checks cirrhosis progression. Alcoholics can use these supplements to prevent liver damage due to alcohol and recover faster after quitting alcohol to lead a healthy life. World's finest liver detox supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. 80+ countries presence.
Buy milk thistle extract pills from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.